Take a look at this 2008 Holden Commodore. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.